Spring has flowers, autumn has the moon. Summer has cool breezes, winter has snow. If no idle matters weigh on your mind, every season is a good time. No matter how high or far we live in the city, a small courtyard is always tucked away in our hearts. With stone doorstep, its locust tree, the sound of rain tapping on plant leaves. Stars above when you look up, frogs croaking below when you listen. Our generation, the post-80s, were born in courtyards, and we are the last generation to have grown up in them. We learned to walk in the courtyard, raised big white geese, chilled watermelons in the well, listened to rain from the veranda. Then we moved into apartments. Now the post-90s are renovating old houses with glass conservatories. The post-O's are building miniature gardens on balconies. The courtyard is no longer just a piece of land. It's a longing passed down through generations. Just after the start of spring, the ice on the river begins to loosen. Standing by the river, you hear a crack. The river has opened. Spring has come. The century-old Chinese toon tree in the courtyard sprouts buds. Villagers come with bamboo poles, the tender buds falling all over the ground. The whole courtyard fills with the scent of toon. Spring rain falls, fine and soft. Standing under the eaves, you reach out your hand, rain slipping through your fingers. The soil darkens, the air carries the smell of fresh grass. Back then, we didn't know what all things revive meant. We just felt that days suddenly gained color. A Chinese courtyard is a place where time can be seen slowly. The cracking ice is time, the sprouting buds are time, the raindrops sinking into the soil, that too is time. In the courtyard, we don't rush through our days, we watch them day by day grow out of the earth. Summer is the season of water. The noonday courtyard is wrapped in cicada song. The sun fierce, yet blocked by trees and vines. Under the eaves of the main house, it's always cool. Splashing in the stream, the heat dissolves in an instant. What's most missed is that watermelon after dinner. Soaked in the well for hours, then brought out and cut. One bite, and the sweet juice runs down your chin, sweet to the bone. What's most anticipated is rain. Watching raindrops weave a curtain. A Chinese courtyard holds the purity you can no longer find in the city. Dyeing fingernails with impatience, chasing fireflies, morning cicadas, afternoon breezes. Evening glow, starlit nights. All here in the courtyard. The chestnuts in Chestnut Blossom Valley are ripe. The ground is covered with fallen chestnut burrs. Covered in spines, you have to crack them open carefully like pomegranates. Golden chestnuts roll out. Too hot to handle. You peel and pop them in your mouth. Soft, sweet, the taste of autumn. The mountains at this time, the colors are stunning. Maple leaves red, ginkgo leaves yellow, layer upon layer of color, like a spilled paint palette.
随风飘送，它好像是桥呀，桥在我心坎中。
You sit in the courtyard, watching the sky turn from blue to purple, then black. Stars light up one by one, like someone scattering salt across the sky. You feel that days like this, even 100 years wouldn't be enough. On autumn evenings, smoke from cooking fires warms without burning. This is the true meaning of companionship. Winter is the quietest time in the courtyard. When snow falls, the whole world turns white. You can't bear to make the first footprint, yet you can't wait to make it. Footprints deep and shallow, like writing a poem for the courtyard when it's coldest. The fire in the hearth must never go out. Charcoal crackling. You pull up a chair and sit by the fire. Hands warm, feet warm. This is the perfect time for a hot pot. Set up the copper pot. Paper-thin lamb slices, cabbage, tofu, glass noodles thrown in. Steam rising, window panes fogged up. You press your face to the window and look out. See snowflakes falling on gray tiles, layer upon layer. On snowy nights, everything sleeps quietly. All you remember is the fire burning bright, the hot pot fragrant, the snow outside so white. No matter how cold the winter, there's warmth waiting inside. No matter how hard life gets, the earth catches you. Then we move to the city, open the window, another window. The concrete jungle blocks out the stars. Car horns drown out the frogs. We have elevators, air conditioning, hot water 24/7. We have everything yet seem to have lost something. What have we lost? That watermelon chilled in the well. Those days listening to rain under the eaves. That spring when toon buds fell all over the ground. That coolness of snow on the tongue. Later we understood we don't miss the courtyard itself. We miss the carefree self in that courtyard. Days moving slowly. Heart feeling light. A Chinese courtyard is where in the concrete jungle, you can still live like someone who grew out of the earth. You can be slow, you can be still. No need to pretend, no need to rush. You can stand solid and real on the ground.